Hey, what is up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money with Wise. This is a step-by-step easy process, so go ahead and follow along. So the first thing that you are going to do is to tap that send button in there. After tapping on that, you're going to go ahead and choose between international or same currency. So say for example, you're going to go ahead and send money to someone in the same currency. You can go ahead and click this one here, and then you can basically enter the number in here. Say for example, I want to send about $50. I can definitely do that one. Or if you're not using dollars, you can go ahead and click this one to search for other currency. Say for example, I'm going to go ahead and send in Australian dollar. I can click that one. All right, here's how it looks. Now, after doing so, you can just go ahead and tap continue. If we're going to go with international, it's basically the same thing. We're going to go ahead and type here, say for example, 50. And if we want to change USD, we can click this one and basically choose with others in here. Now, let's go to Canadian dollar this time. All right, I'm going to go ahead and send 50 Canadian dollars. And then for the recipient, you can go ahead and choose what kind of currency they're going to receive the money to. Say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and choose Chinese yuan. I can click this one here. All right, there you go. And once you're done doing so, you can just go ahead and click continue. Now click continue once again. And this time you're going to go ahead and choose who you are going to send it to. So there's actually a recipient in here. If you're going to click this one, you can go ahead and choose between the following: yourself or someone else. If you're sending it to another person, you can go ahead and choose someone else. And this time you're going to go ahead and just basically enter the details in here. We have their email, bank details, full name of the account holder, and their card number. Once you're done doing so, you can just go ahead and tap confirm, and you are done. Congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to send money with Wise.